Welcome to a travel experience designed for those who expect more. Arriving in Jamaica should feel like the start of your adventure, not a hassle. That's why Aurum Transfers ensures your journey from the airport is as seamless as your flight. Your journey started in style, let's keep it that way. Imagine stepping off your plane and being greeted by a professional chauffeur holding a sign with your name. No crowded taxi stands, no price negotiations, just VIP treatment from the moment you land. Our fleet of premium vehicles is designed for comfort and style. Sink into plush leather seats, enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi, and refresh yourself with cold beverages, while your experienced driver takes care of the rest. Whether you're heading to the breathtaking beaches of Montego Bay, the vibrant streets of Kingston, or the lush landscapes of Ocho Rios, we provide premium transfers from Montego Bay Airport, Kingston Norman Manley Airport, Ian Fleming International Airport. At Aurum Transfers, we go beyond transportation, we deliver tailored service. Need a child car seat? Extra luggage space? Planning a multi-stop trip? We've got you covered. Our expert drivers aren't just navigators. They are local insiders, ensuring you get to your destination smoothly and safely. Booking is effortless. Visit aurum-transfers.com to secure your ride in just minutes. No hidden fees, no last-minute surprises, just premium service every time. Don't leave your arrival to chance. Join the growing number of travelers who choose Aurum Transfers for a luxurious, stress-free start to their Jamaican experience. Contact us at info@aurum-transfers.com or book now at aurum-transfers.com. Your journey begins the moment you land. Make it extraordinary with Aurum Transfers.